Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh my God, it's smoky. Yeah. This is honey. Cool. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Wow, rod burner. Yeah. Wow, Dynamic again. Yeah. Ringo. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Who is that? Tomato. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen, yeah, good job.
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
Not in my town, we don't.
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
That's just all. Just gonna be going.
Wow, rod burner. Yeah. Wow, Dynamic again. Yeah.
You got more talent in one lug nut.
And a lot of cars has gotten our whole body.
Really?
Oh,
Bet you're
stupid.
Excuse me?
It's organic, man.
Tree hugger.
Oh, feel more.
Just because I never trusted Axelrod, you're dead wrong, man. It was him.
Oh my God, it's smoky. Yeah.
Do you even want to be out here?
Wow, rod burner. Yeah. This is honey. Ooh.
If I can just reverse the polarity.
Who is that? Ramon! Wow! Ringo! Haha!
I missed. You going on vacation?
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs.
This is Doc Hudson! Yeah! Wow! Dinoco King! Yeah!
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
A funny car.
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen! Let's go! Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah! Cruz Ramirez! Yeah! Who is that? Sally! Haha! Sally! Haha! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Request acknowledged.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
Tomato! Wow! This is Sheriff! Yeah!
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine!
Yeah! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah! Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh my god, it's Smokey. Yeah.
Lesson 1. You're old.
He said you're old
I
and
heard him. You'll never be as fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
It's Smokey. Yeah. Who is that? Ramon. Wow.
Hey, anything you want. You know, like a flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Ramon. Wow. This is Mac. Wow. This is Mac.